In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop lead and call center management CRM. Example of this kind of script is LeadPro SaaS. Let's look at some of the features. LeadPro is a lead and call center CRM designed to help businesses for managing and track their sales leads, customer interactions, and marketing campaigns. Please, just a few of the features of this script. So let's look at the demo site for this site. For the script. Please use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. So after purchasing, we go straight to our cPanel. But let's look at the demo site. How it's going to look like after developing it. Here is it. Now let me go to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. For my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'll be using for this testing purpose. Here is the subdomain I'll be using. I've already uploaded my script. Next, let me extract it. Extract files. I can now close this. Here is the extracted folder. So I'm opening it. I select all. I'm moving them to the root folder. Move files. Next, I click on back. Let me now copy my subdomain name. A new tab. Paste it there. Okay, now let me use /public. Enter. I click on next step. So I will go back to my cPanel to create the database, because this environment is asking me for details of my database. So I go back to my cPanel. This time I'm going to databases, manage my databases. Let me name my database as LeadPro DB. Then I click on create database. Database successfully created. I click on go back. Next, I'm going to create the user. Let me scroll down to create the user. Add new user. Let me see LeadPro DB user. And next, I click on create user. After creating my database and user successfully, next I'm going to add the user to the database. Let me select one I just created. Yes. Then I click on add. I'm giving up privileges to the user. Scroll down, make changes. Now success. So let me copy my username. Go back to my site. Yes, localhost, username. Database name. There is it. Then I click on next step. I close this. So everything is set. I click on next step. So I will go back to my file manager, then change permission for these ones. So I will go to storage app, find my storage app framework logs to 775, storage app framework logs, framework, save logs, save. Next one is bootstrap cache. So I click on back. Okay, let me go through this place. Bootstrap cache, save. Now let me go back to my site and refresh. Everything is now set. Yes, I click on next step. So finish. Application has been successfully installed. So these are the details to log in. Click here to exit. As you can see, I have successfully installed it. This is what I showed you the other time when I started. This is our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script, and also this is IAM link in the description to IAM to help you install the script. Thank you.